Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. So I'm going to show you the first setup of your Galaxy M15. So when you first turn off your phone or turn on, there is a screen like that. So you have to hit the blue button, choose the language which you want, click on the next. I agree to all. I agree, that's right. Set up manually or Galaxy or iPad, whatever you have. Click on some your Wi-Fi from your home. I will connect with my home Wi-Fi. Click on the next. Service provider set up now, and it's gonna be restart now. After the phone recognize you and your region and language and many more. So we have to wait now. So be patient. Okay, that's it. So phone try to connect to mobile network. So if you have some SIM card, you can enable it. Click on the next, getting your phone ready. So this may take a few minutes. It seems to be a few seconds, I think, but the processor in this model can be a little bit slower than the best model from the Samsung. So anyway, we have to keep waiting until the software will do everything to be ready for the phone to use. It keep been waiting really for the few minutes. Anyway, it's been a thing of the specs of this phone. So don't be scary. It's not some issues of the phone. It's a little bit slow. It's not lag. Okay. Now you can copy apps and data from your old phone if you have it. If not, so don't copy. In this case, check in info. In my other videos, I will show you the many things of this phone. Everything's all about this phone. Okay, there you can sign a Google account. In this video, we don't any login in the account of mobile, so more and accept. Okay, now you choose your search engine. In my case, I will search Google, but you can of course choose whatever you want. You can protect your phone, but any of these things, the screen lock, I'm gonna skip anyway. I will add any protection in other videos. Okay, you can sync up the Samsung account. If you don't want, just click on that and set up later in Samsung. Skip it. Click on the all. I agree. Now you can choose in your display mode from dark to light. We can choose a light. And now we have wait some more time. That's it. Get recommended apps. Next. And you're all set up. So finished. And your phone is ready to work. Discover integrated apps. Later. Exit. Yes. And as you see, we are in phone. Everything's placed correctly. So that's it's all about the first setup. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!